Hello Renderworks Pro subscribers. Today I'm going to introduce you to the latest feature in our 3D editor, multi-split walls. So this is what the finished product could look like. So you can see on the top here, we have shake on the gable. I've separated out a little section for a trim and also the rest of the wall. So how do we achieve this? It's quite simple. So let's just turn the house around. So as you can see, I'm looking at this wall already separated into two sections. So what I'm going to do is highlight this panel that I want to split. Click split wall, and then find the top of the band board. Click apply. Do it one more time to get the bottom of that band board. Bang, bang. And then click apply. So if you can see here, I can highlight all three sections. So if I want to make this paint, what you're going to notice if I scroll up to the product selector, it's only going to reflect two products. This is because it is categorized as siding. So I'm going to click it into masonry. As you can see, I've highlighted it here. Click masonry, and if I scroll up, you'll see four products. Now I can click the paint option and click Hardy Trim Boards, Arctic White. And then I can click the top section, which we've already sectioned off, and apply whatever product I need. Just for expediency's sake, I'm just going to click the straight edge shake similar to the front. So you can do this with any panel on the house. Create the design your homeowner might need. If you have any questions about the visualizer or any other nuances of the designer, please feel free to contact customer success. That is it for me. Thank you. Bye for now.